आमच्या मध्ये आसा मिस्टर रुना वाघ, एडवोकेट एंड्रिया मास्कारिनास आणि हुको गोन्साल्वीस, मायसेल्फ ग्लेन कपल. हे आयचे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जावन आसा ओल्ड गोवा जे इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू आहा जे ओवर प्रोटेक्टेड एरियान तेजे बद्दल 2 दीस पयलीं आमी प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो. त्या प्रोटेस्टाक आमच्या गोंयभरच्या लोकांनी आमकां सपोर्ट दिल्लो आनी जायत्या लोकांनी आमचे सुचोवण्यो आनी सजेशन्स दिल्ली. आमचो फुडलो प्रोटेस्ट फुडले आमचे लढो आहा हे आमच्या आमचे दायज सांबाळपाक जाय हेरिटेज तेजे बद्दल आमचे सुचोवण्यो आनी सजेशन आहा ते मांडपा खातीर आमी आयज प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलेले आहा. आनी आमकां त्या विशयाचेर चड म्हायती दिवपाक आमचे मदीं आहा एडवोकेट एंड्रिया मास्कारिनास. ते तुमचे फुडले आमचो जो लढो कसो आसतलो तेजी तुमकां म्हायती डिटेलान.
Very good evening to you all, my dear friends. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Lord our God Almighty for this day, for giving me another opportunity to come before you all and just speak out whatever we are going to be planning. And most importantly, I would like to thank each and every my Goan brother and sister who has come on Sunday on the 21st. Itni jana tumi aili episode Goa, and you have really showed that you all love Old Goa so much because it is close to our hearts, and that we really want to preserve and protect our heritage, our national monument in Old Goa. Ata in the past, many a times aite issue ailya which we have taken up and fought against the government and political parties, whichever, wherever. Many issues had come in the past, and the thing was that these issues were all solved amicably, and some of them mostly were solved legally, and they were also solved amicably. But this current issue which is going on, this current issue of the illegal structure which is in the protected area of the protected national monument is an issue which is really very hurting. Why am I here in the first place is because I love Old Goa, I love my heritage, and I would want to protect and preserve it till the last breath that I can give myself and fight for it. Now the thing is that here, the issue of having this illegal structure, we have to fight the ruling government, because the ruling government leader, the central leader herself, has done this fraud by constructing the illegal structure. The political party and the ruling government of the political party has helped this national central leader by obtaining all fraudulent permissions and licenses and conniving with her to give her the go-ahead of doing this illegal structure. Ata war structure is going to destroy our heritage. We have to protect and preserve our heritage for posterity. आमी सगळीं सोदांकार काय जिणी आसची ना. We are going to die. All of us are going to die. Nobody is going to come. Nobody is come in this world to live forever. We are not going to be living here forever. So after we go, what happens to our heritage? What happens to these protected monuments that are there in Old Goa? They have to be protected and preserved for posterity, for the generations and generations, not only of Goa, not only of India, but of the world, because there are people who come irrespective of caste, creed and religion, irrespective of this religion or caste or creed. People all over the world come to Old Goa. They come to see the monuments, they come to worship our saint, our great saint who is there in Old Goa. So we have to preserve and protect our heritage. Now how are we going to do this? Now we are going to do it in a way. Now all ways and means have been exhausted. Our legal ways, whatever ways and means, agitations, then we have given conferences, we have given morchas, we have done all sorts of things, everything legally also. All our ways and means are exhausted. आणि जेन्ना सगळे आमी करून आता आमी सगळे exhaust केला सगळे उपाय, we remember Mahatma Gandhi and the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. The teachings of Mahatma Gandhi are one of the teachings are Satyagraha. What is the meaning of Satyagraha? Satyagraha is nothing but insisting on the truth. My dear Goans, my brothers and sisters, we are people of the light. We are righteous people and we want justice. So if we are righteous and if we want justice, we have to go the right way. And the right way is to insist is right now we have to get that illegal structure demolished, because it is totally destroying our national heritage, our protected monument. It's destroying it. So we have to fight the ruling government. We have to fight this political party to get that structure erased to the ground. So what we are going to do, we are not going to do violence. We are not going to fight the government with violence. No, my dear friends, no, my Goenkaras, we are not going to fight violence. The other day on Sunday, जायते माझे Goenkar भाव आणि Goena आईली आणि मुलपाक लागली. Even actually I was also feeling the same. It is frustrating when so much of effort has been put in getting that structure stayed, and at every stage we have been trying to sort of stop that construction. It is frustrating. So some of my Goan brothers and sisters were suggesting, why are we just keeping quiet? We can just go and demolish it. We will take the law in our hands and go and throw something there and blast it off and all. So no, that is violence. Violence is an act of coward. Cowards do that. We are not cowards. Irrespective of our caste, creed and religion, we are not cowards. Goans are not cowards. We are righteous people. So we will go by the righteous way, and that is right now Mahatma Gandhi's way of Satyagraha. So tomorrow what we are going to do is, tomorrow we are going to be sitting, Amchi Goenchi, Bhav Goena, whether they are Hindus, Catholics, Muslims, doesn't matter. We are Goans. So we are all going to come together tomorrow, and from 8 to 6 in the morning, आम्ही Sheikh Etedadaच्या गेटीच्या बाहेर, that is opposite to the basilica, we are going to be sitting fasting. We are going to fast and we are going to pray that the government realizes the biggest fraud, the first degree fraud that the government has done in connivance with the political party, in giving permissions to the central leader, that is China NC, in giving all the fraudulent permissions. We are going to ask the Lord, we are going to pray and fast so that the government throws light on our Satyagraha, sees our efforts. Because it is not only going to be just one or two, there are all sorts of goals from all walks of life who are going to come and sit down over there from 8 o'clock in the morning to 6 in the evening, and asking the government to please, requesting the government to please consider our pledges and please demolish that illegal structure. So फाल्यासान आमची सत्याग्रह स्टार्ट जातली, and all Goans from all walks of life, from all places in Goa are most welcome to come and join us. Thank you. आणि आधी फुडें तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं दिता. No, we will see.
Questions मागीर
तुमकां सगळ्यांक गुड इवनिंग म्हणटा. कितकीशे म्हयने जाले आमी एज्युकेशन फुडें व्हरत आसा, आनी एक टायम्स ऑफ इंडियन एक्सप्रेसाचेर एक हें पळयलो आमी, तेचे वयल्यान अशें दिसून येयलें की आमचे जे राज्य सत्तेंतले लोक आसा आनी BJPचे जे पदाधिकारी आसा, मिस्टर तानावडे, वो अशें म्हणटा की तो लोकल इशू. आय वॉज शॉक्ड व्हेन ही सेड दॅट, बिकॉज जेन्ना इंटरनॅशनल मॉन्युमेंटाचो विशय येता तेन्ना दीस इजंट अ लोकल इशू एट ऑल, इट बिकम्स अ इंटरनॅशनल इशू. आनी हे सगळे जे पदाधिकारी आसात, हांव समजता की ते लर्नड आसात आनी सगळे इशू ते बरे भशेन तेंचे कडेन तांकां कळटा, आनी राज्यांतली जे रिलिजियस समतोल आसा तो समतोल खंयच बिगाडपाक जायना हेची खबरदारी तेंच्यांनी घेवची, ही म्हाजी शिटकावणी आसा तांकां. जेन्ना तो हो इशू आसा, हितून तुमचे पदाधिकारी, नॅशनल लेवलची तुमची पदाधिकारी इनवॉल्ड आसा, एक इंटरनॅशनल मॉन्युमेंटाचेर कब्जो करपाक, तेन्ना हो कितको सेन्सिटीव इशू आसा हो तुमी समजपाक जाय. आनी तुमी म्हणटा लोकल इशू म्हणून तुमी आख्खें गोंय तेतून सेकटवले. पत्रादेवीच्यान काणकोण मेरेन लोक सगळे एकठांय आयले. तुमी जर सोशल मिडिया पळयशात जाल्यार सोशल मिडियाचेर भरभरून प्रतिक्रिया आसा हेचेर, आणि येद्या व्हडल्या माचयेर बसोन सगळ्याकून डिफरन्स असलेली पार्टी, सगळ्याकून डिफरन्स हे करणारी पार्टी सांगता इट इज अ लोकल इशू. वो मुद्दो जो आसा वो इंटरनॅशनल मुद्दो आसा. नॅशनल लेवलची तुमची पदाधिकारी चायना एम्सीन आमच्या गोंयच्या इंटरनॅशनल मॉन्युमेंटाचेर कब्जो केल्लो आसा इल्लीगल तरेन. हो एक व्हेरी व्हेरी सेन्सिटीव इशू जावन आसा आणि तुम्ही तो जाता तितल्या बेगीन सॉल्व करपाक जाय आणि जाता तितल्या बेगीन तुम्ही फुडाकार घेवपाक जाय आसलो हेतून. तुम्ही तुमच्या एका सांगपाक जाय आसलें, तुम्ही फुडाकार घेवपाक जाय आसलो तिका की गोंयान येवन अशें कितें हें करिनाका जेणे करून आनी तेडां आणि बाकीचे जे आमचे जे हांगासर पीस आसा सगळ्यांच्या गोंयकारां मदीं हो डिस्टर्ब जावपाक जायना. दुसरो मुद्दो एक आमी हायलायट करूंक सोदता. तो मुद्दो म्हणजे जेन्ना आमी एका व्हडल्या पोझिशनाचेर बसता, सरकारी पोझिशनाचेर, स्पेशली गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर्स, तेन्ना वी अबायड बाय दी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अँड द रुल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन ऑफ दी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तेन्ना हेणें म्हाका सांगलें, त्या राजकारण्यान सांगलें, त्या राजकारण्यान सांगलें, डजंट मॅटर एट ऑल. हांगा एक मुद्दो आसा, TCPचो जो इन्चार्ज आसा ताका जेन्ना विचारलें की तुमी हे परमिशन्स कशे ग्रांट केले, जाल्यार तेचें इरिस्पॉन्सिबल आन्सर, CRZान परमिशन दिलें म्हणून आमी तांकां दिलें. कॅन दीस बी द आन्सर? तुमकां ते डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक करून दिलां? ते डिपार्टमेंट तुमकां दिलां टेक्निकलिटी, सगळे टेक्निकल मुद्दे सगळे पारीत करपाक. टेक्निकल मुद्द्यान जर बसता जाल्यारच तुमी परमिशन दिवप. तर तेणें दिलें म्हणून आपणें दिलें, CRZान दिलें म्हणून आपणें दिलें तुमी म्हणटा, जाल्यार तुमचें डिपार्टमेंट जाय कित्याक? फाल्यां जितके पोस्ट CRZान पडटा तांकां CRZान जेन्ना परमिशन दिलें जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी तुमचे कडेन येवपाची गरज ना. TCP कडेन कित्याक येवंक जाय? आनी TCP सारकें व्हडलें डिपार्टमेंट, गव्हर्मेंट इतको पयसो, इतको रेव्हेन्यू ताका लायता, तर तें आसपाक जाय तरी कित्याक? सो हो मुद्दो जो आसा हो व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस. तुमी जे करता पळय इलिगॅलिटीज ते धांपपाचो प्रयत्न तुमी करूं नाका. तुमचें कितें आसा, तुमी एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एज पर रुल्स अँड रेग्युलेशनूच तो हें दिवपाक जाय आसलो. ह्यो ल्हान भुरग्याची तेणें म्हाका मारल्या म्हणून हांवें ताका मारल्या असलो हो हें ना. दिस इज व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस. हो इंटरनॅशनल ओल्ड गोवा हें आमचें इंटरनॅशनल सेंटर आसा आनी तें इंटरनॅशनल मॉन्युमेंट आसल्या कारणान थंय जे ते तुमकां वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जे तुमकां परमिशन्स घेवंक जाय आसले, हे परमिशन्स ते डिनाय करता. आर्किओलॉजी ESI डिनायड करता, आर्किओलॉजी सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. तरी पूण तुमी तांकां ग्रांट करता आनी वयल्यान तुमची इरिस्पॉन्सिबल उतरां दिता. ही गोंयकारांक पटना. तेन्ना हें तुमचें तुमी सुदारात बेगींतल्या बेगीन अशें म्हाका सांगचें दिसता.
How many cases of unrest strikes from the north?
See, we have not yet taken any decision on that. Right now, we have just decided to start it. Yeah.
How long you are how long are you going to keep your strike alive?
That's what she just asked me. Right now, we have not decided on how long it will go.
Okay. How many people are going to be there every day?
Now, right now, whoever's there in the same old core committee, we have called for those people to come in. Whoever's like voluntarily are welcome to come.
म्हणजे कितले येते सगळे
व्हॉलंटरीजचा कॉल दिला की येवपाक आनी बसपाक. जेंची इच्छा आसा ते थंय येवन बसतले आनी त्या दिसा आमकां कळटलें की कितके लोक आसा. आनी हो ज्वलंत प्रश्न आसा गोंयकारांचो.
What the panchayat has to say, because finally पंचायतीनच सगळें केल्लें न्ही. त्या दिसा तुमकां थिंगा 5 मेंबरूय नाशिल्लो. सो पंचायत कितें म्हणटा हेचेर?
पंचायत आतां बेटर आन्सर पंचायत दिवंक शकता. तेजें कितें म्हणूंक शकता ते दे हॅव द पावर, दे वॉन्ट टू दे कॅन विथड्रॉ इट.
सो त्या दिसा पंचायतीचो कोणूच मेंबर
कोण नाहलो थिंगा मेंबर.
सो दॅट मीन्स पंचायत इज इन्वॉल्वड
या
आहा.
इन्वॉल्व इट. सम एक्शन आसा ते इन्वॉल्व. अदरवायज तेंचे नाहले जाल्यार ते एनएमएलए रिवोक करतले आनी आफ्टर इतले रिप्रेझेंटेशन गेल्ली आहा तांकां ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म केलें थ्रू ESI पासून तांकां लेटर्स गेल्ली आहा. स्टील दे हॅड नॉट टेकन
सो
एनी
एकूच
एक्शन.
5 मेंबरूय नाहलो.
मेबी इन्वॉल्व आहा 5 मेंबर ऑन दिस.
After this, say for example, after 1 month we are sitting, continuous sitting, if nothing comes out, What will be your next step?
We'll inform you. We'll brief you
Yeah.
later on. Next time for it.
The matter is also pending in Supreme Court, right? So when is the next hearing?
They are not posting the dates. That is the saddest part. The dates
But-
have not been regularly
particular
getting
पंचायत
posted.
कुठे इन्फॉर्मेशन काडटा म्हणल्यार ते काडलेले बाबतींत कितें जालें मागीर वेदर ते विशाल आहलो आनी आनी कितें जालें मागीर
Information आहे का? पण आमच्या information प्रमाणे he had seconded the resolution.
येस सेकंड
Because he's a ward member.
मागीर विड्रॉ करचें म्हणून मागलेलें ना
त्याने घातलेलं पण अजूनपासून withdraw झाले ना. Because he's a ward member. He has to be first person to inform the people that this type of projects are coming in the protected area. He had never informed.
डू यू फील दॅट तूंय काँग्रेसान आसा लेट अस से दॅट ही इज द ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आनी काँग्रेस एका सायडीच्यान काँग्रेसाचे मेंबर येता आनी मिटिंगेक येता डोंट यू फील दॅट काँग्रेस शूड ऑल्सो टेक अ कॉग्निझन्स ऑफ दीस
Yeah. Yes.
तो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट आहा थिंगा
So actually ह्या पार्टी लाईन्स ना आम्ही आता ऍक्च्युअली हा आमच्या गावचो इशू म्हणून पुढे
गांवचो इशू पार्टी लायनच्यान विचारना एके सायडीच्यान काँग्रेस दा आपण आहा म्हणून दाखयता
That's what no. You have to ask them. I mean, they have to take action. According to me, they have to take action against him. If he is involved in that, they have to take action against him.
तुम्ही फाटी सीएमआकडे गेलो सीएमआर किती रिस्पॉन्स
अजून काय रिस्पॉन्स देऊ नका सीएमआरने देऊ ना आम्ही डीसीपी मिनिस्टराक मेळलेले आमकां तेणे झाले आम्ही इमिजिएटली तेणे ऑलरेडी प्रेसा पासून ब्रीफ केलें तेणी आम्ही विड्रॉ करता म्हणून पण टील डेट आमकां रिटर्न एश्युरन्स काय मेळलें ना ओरली सांगलेलें हांव वी आर विड्रॉईंग इट म्हणून पण रिटर्न अजून मेळलेलें ना आमकां
Did you meet central minister?
हां
They brought the permission from center.
No, permission was given only for repair, not for renovation and reconstruction. This structure is totally new, reconstructed, which was not existing over there.
So did you meet central agency?
Central agencies are doing their work. No, they had already informed the other department. The main permission was given by the state government, state department, as ecology, TCP and CRZ.
आज कितलो दीस जाले विशाल आपूण ना ना म्हणटा तुका दिसना समज तो ना जाल्यार तेणें तुमच्या बरोबर येवन हांगा स्ट्रायकार बसचो म्हणून
तेजो आन्सर हांव दिवंक शकना आमी सांगलें तें इट इज अप टू हिम
पण तो ना जाल्यार ताणें येवचो न्हू
तेका
कोण
जर
मेंबरांनी
दिसता की ओल्ड गोवा तेचें आनी ओल्ड गोवाचे दायज ताणें फुडल्या पिळगे खातीर प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय जाल्यार जाणा एकल्या गोंयकारांक थंय बसपाक
ह्या 5 मेंबरांनी म्हणटा ह्या 5 मेंबरांनी कोणें अप्रुवल दिला पळय तेणी येवचें न्हू
ऑल आर वेलकम
So how many departments or how many government bodies you think are at fault if you say that these permissions are fraudulent?
Deputy Collector, CRZ, TCP, Panchayat.
सगळ्या पंचायतींच्यानूच पयलो वयता न्हू
ते ट्रान्सफर केलं म्हणतात कसं किती लेवल
Because they Supreme Court matter हाली and he was supposed to file a correct affidavit, correct position दिवपाक लागलो. So तेका लागून तेणी तेका ट्रान्सफर केला. He was the only officer who was objecting to this illegality.
And he had issued show cause notices to stop the work. He was 5 show cause notices he had issued saying that this construction is totally illegal, fraudulent. कित्याक पासयेचे थिंगा घर आहा पळय ते ती परमिशन मागताना तो फोटोग्राफ पासयेच्या घराचो थिंगा दाखयलेलो आनी हांगा ओल्ड गोवा थिंगा आहली होप आहली टू स्टोर कोकोनट्स सो हाव कॅन दिस सडनली अ होप बिकम सच अ बिग स्ट्रक्चर
50 मिटराची तोप ती 400 मीटर गेली
शोकेस नोटीस कोणाक
apart for the party, whoever is doing this illegal construction, that they show cause notice and he stopped work order that. So because of which he was on the red listing. So ताका लागून ताका आतां affidavit file करतलो म्हणून सुप्रीम कोर्टान ताका ट्रान्सफर मारलो to Chennai.
You can challenge the showcase notice.
Everything we have done everything. We have like totally exhausted all the legal remedies. Going to the Supreme Court is the highest thing one can do because it is the apex court of the country, no?
So one part of the land was sold to Manish and the other one was sold to Lokita, right?
Yes.
So are you seeking any action against both of them because Manish was saying that they have pulled out of that project?
Nobody, I don't know. I'm not sure about that. But then right now, if we allow permit this structure to come, a totally illegal structure in the protected area of the protected monument, there will be God knows how many more structures coming up over there. And we have seen the papers also. If this comes, then the other plot which is close to it, there also there will be down on the other areas also of Old Goa where the protected other monuments are close in the vicinity also. There also there will be structures coming up of the same political party, backed by the same government. So that is the whole thing.
And the project which is going on, the helicopter,
That is a flood tense. Actually, we had informed the panchayat, but now due to Gram Sabha is not there, we cannot discuss the project.
A lot of Congress, TMC, all of them came on Sunday to support your protest, but then some people say that this is now getting a political color. Would you like to clarify?
See, we are not here for any political parties or anything. We are here because we love Old Goa. Old Goa is closest to the heart of every Goan, irrespective of caste, creed and religion. Irrespective of that, Old Goa is closest to all Goans, all Goans. So we are not here for any political gains or whatever you may call it, but we are here just as a normal lay Goan who loves Old Goa for its heritage, and we want to protect and preserve it. That's about it.
No,
Nothing more.
what I'm trying to understand is that, just correct me if I'm wrong. If Panchayat withdraws seat, then doesn't it gives you an advantage in Supreme Court or anywhere?
It will, but then Glenn, come on, you can
Yeah,
answer
it
it
gives.
better
But
actually.
they
So
have to act
panchayat-
on their part, no? They have to act on their part.
म्हणजे पंचायतात कोण सगळं गोंयचो लोक येता
तर झालं ना टील नाव पंचायत काय त्यांचे काय अजून सजेशन ना ऑलरेडी त्यांनी इन्फॉर्म केले रिवोक करून लायसन्स जाल्यार दे हॅव टू एक्ट ऑन दॅट नो दे हॅव टू गिव देअर साइड बिकॉज देर आर ऑन द लायसन्स देर आर कंडिशन्स पुट बाय द if that is not fulfilled then they can revoke
Because everything starts from panchayat NOC, no? So panchayatin withdraw केली जाल्यार the advantage no by Supreme Court or anywhere. So they have to withdraw it.
correct
So panchayat should act first, no?
correct
ओके तुमची टीम आसा पळय सेव ओल्ड गोवा टीम आसा तुमी मोर्चा बीन व्हरतले पंचायतीचेर
that thing will later inform you
पण
later.
तुम्ही लोकांक कित्याक सांगना पंचायतीनच केला म्हणून
सत्याग्रह we starting with सत्याग्रह
हय.
no course of action will take
ना पयलीं तुम्ही जर मोर्चा व्हेलो आनी पंचायतीन विड्रॉ केले जाल्यार तुमचें काम इजी जावं
already
शकता
त्यांना
अशें
दिल्ले
दिसता
हा मेमोरंडम दिल्ले हा पावलेले आनी खबर हा सो दॅट इज up to them to withdraw it if त्यांना जाय जाल्यार कालूच करून जाताले एक महिना पयले करून आफ्टर कमिंग टू आफ्टर नोईंग द सेन्सिटिव्ह ऑफ द इशू तेणी करून ना
तांकां खबर नासतली
तुम्ही
तुम्ही
return दिला
तुम्ही एक काम कर कित्याक
एक
सांगना
मिनिट म्हाका दिसता हो प्रश्न आसा न्हय
पंचायतीचो.
जेन्ना आमी पंचायतीक निवडून हाडटा जेन्ना आमी आमदार निवडून हाडटा सगळे रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा तेन्ना पब्लिकान तांकां सांगल्यारूच ते रिस्पॉन्सिबल जातले आनी करतले काय तांची कितें जबाबदारी आसा करपाक आख्ख्या पब्लिकेक तेंच्यांनी आमकां कोणाक अशी खुशी ना की हांगा येवन झगडपाक हांगा टायम वेस्ट करपाक आनी हें करपाक हे प्रश्न तुमी तुमचे प्रश्न आसा हे तांकां विचारात जे हू आर रेप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह कोण पंचायतीन सरपंच आसा तेंच्यांनी एक फुडाकार घेवंक जाय बिकॉज तेंच्यांनी जबाबदारी घेतला ह्या गांवचो आपूण नेतो म्हणून जाल्यार ते कशें हें करपाक शकता हांगासर आनी तांकां आमी सांगपाक जाय पंचायती राज एक्ट आनी बाकीचे सगळे एक्ट खबर नासतनाच ते थंय बसल्या हे जे सगळे सीएम हे TCP मिनिस्टर हे सगळे जे आसा अख्खी ब्युरोक्रेसी आनी अख्खे हे वेठीक लोकांक धरता कॉमन लोकांक वॉट इज देर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाय आर दे पेड फॉर दॅट सगळे पेमेंट घेता सगळे हे घेता कितें करता लोकांनी कित्याक परत परत तांकां जागृत करपाक जाय तांची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितें आसा ही तांकां
मस्त
खबर
ते न्हिदल्या
आसता.
जाल्यार
ना तुम्ही कंप्लेंट फायल केलं मॅडम पंचायत
आतां तुमी येदो व्हडले 10,5-10,000 लोक हाडलो थिंगा तरी पूण लागचो समज तो 5 मेंबर येना तो न्हिदलो म्हणपाचो न्हू
लोकां काडून लोक येयला
लोक येयला म्हणटा बरोबर लोक येयला पंच येवंक ना न्हू तुजो
Political
मागीर पंच सो तेका लागून म्हणटा तेका तेजी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सांगपाक एक पाट पूण वयतले काय म्हणटा
तेका हाडलो बी निवडा लोकांनी तूं सेफ कर सेफ ऑफ ओल्ड गोवा
लोक त्यांच्या वाड्याचे लोक त्याला विसरतले टॅक्सी जावं सांगता त्याच्या लोकांचे तेका लोक विसरतले म्हणून जेणे कोण तेका निवडून हाडला ते लोक तेका क्वेश्चन करतले टॅक्सी
तुम्ही हांवें कंप्लेंट बी फायल केलं
कोणाचे
पंचायतीची
पंचायती वाले मेमोरंडम गेल्ले हा हेजे फ्युचर आमी करतले कंप्लेंट्स ऑलरेडी
पूण अजून करूं ना
कंप्लेंट्स पूण मेमोरंडम गेल्ले हा तांकां सांगलेलें हा ऑलरेडी तेचे
तेचेर प्रेशर आसा जाल्यार तो कितें करतलो तेचेर वयल्यांच्या नॅशनलाचे जे तेंचे पदाधिकारी आसा नॅशनल वयरूय सत्ता तेंची आसा हांगाय सत्ता तेंची आसा तो इल्लोसो पंच कितें करतलो वयल्यान तेचेर प्रेशर आसा न्ही ताणें करचें पडटलें गोंयकारां खातीर
आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणटा पयली आमी जेन्ना इलेक्शनाक वोट वेन वी आर वोटिंग एंड इलेक्टिंग अ रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह टू आर वॉट एवर विच एवर असेंब्ली एंड MLA वॉट एवर do we have to come on the road like this and fight? It doesn't make sense. They have to protect us, they have to preserve our heritage. We don't have to fight like this, and we have to fight against them only. Those who we have voted, we have to fight against them. Doesn't make sense at all. They are the ones who have to protect us, and आम्ही बाबा हांगा येवन बोगू मातशें पडटा की तुम्ही आमची हेरिटेज डिस्ट्रॉय करता आणि तेच लोक तांच्याच मनशाक घेऊन सारखे डिस्ट्रॉय करून सुटले आता सारखे.
मॅडम तुम्ही आता सांगले सारखे आता फार्मर्स हे झाला पळय ताकाय लोक हे जाता जे बीन इलेक्टेड सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट एजिटेशन
Besides the see what happens is now in the farmers thing only rightly as you brought up that issue. When the farmers came together, they have also elected those their representatives and whatever. But when they stood united, they won. The justice was done. It happened because they came united. So likewise, we Goans from all walks of life have come together now because we have to fight. Now, unfortunately, we are fighting those people who we have already elected and they are our representatives.